everyone. In this lesson, we'll talk about what I consider the most important part of a successful funnel building process, which is planning. This is a super cliche quote, but it is cliche for a reason. And that is, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. This is true for funnels and everything else in life. And something else that I see quite often in our Facebook groups and our communities is people wondering why their funnels are not converting into sales if they have these amazing funnel templates, either from our own template library or from our incredible users who share their own. And it all comes down to planning. You can have the most amazing looking pages, but they will not convert to sales just by being pretty. That is why you must have these 3 things in place before launching. That is, if you want to make money as soon as possible. So first we have competitive research, knowing your offer, and determining your traffic sources. So let's talk about each one of them a little bit more. So imagine this. You put your heart and soul into creating something amazing, only to find out your competition is offering a better version of whatever you're offering at a fraction of the price. This is only one of the scenarios you may encounter if you do not research properly. That's why it's so important. And by research, I don't mean like a 5-minute Google search. We're talking about diving deep into your buyer persona. You should already have a clear idea of who they are, their characteristics, their pain points, what makes them tick. You need to know their dreams, their aspirations, their jobs, their lifestyle. What is their life going to look like after they purchase your offer? You need to know what their education level is, how much are they willing to spend in your offer. You need to know how they want to be addressed, everything, so you can have engaging copy and make their decision-making process as simple as possible. So it's not just about checking out your competitors' websites. You need to dive deeper. You need to explore, reviews on third-party platforms, visit Facebook groups. You can scroll through social media and figure out where you can shine brighter than the rest of your competitors, whether that's with your pricing, your bonuses, your post-purchase support, whatever it is you need to do to stand out in your niche. Now, this next element might seem obvious and simple, but really, when was the last time you really thought about what you're selling and felt really comfortable knowing everything about it? Your offer is kind of like your baby. You need to know and be able to communicate absolutely everything about it with ease. And something that I find very, very helpful when I'm planning my funnel steps is to have a document with a list of features, benefits, reviews, social proof, guarantees, feedback, and this will be the raw materials for your pages. You can have either like a Google document, a Google Drive document, or Notion or Trello. There are great platforms out there that you can use for this. And I find that this is especially important if you're selling PLR products or if you're an affiliate. So in order for your audience to trust you and have trust in what you're selling, then you must own it. If you create your own offers, then, well, it's easier for you to know the ins and outs of it. But let's say that you're reselling one of our courses or any other, master resale rights products. If you're not confident or you're not knowledgeable about the content or what's inside, trust me, your audience will tell, and it will be harder to convert into sales. So yeah, knowing your offer is absolutely vital. And now for the third key element you must plan beforehand is traffic. So without knowing your traffic sources beforehand, your funnel will be like a party with no guests. And remember, we don't want just random traffic. We want targeted, interested traffic. We want qualified leads. So let's talk about your options. The first option is paid advertising. So if you're looking for quick results, paid ads on platforms like Google and Meta and TikTok and Pinterest are the way to go. There's a big but here, and is that these platforms are tricky. If you're not a pro or if you're not very familiar with targeting ads, maybe you should consider bringing in a freelance paid media consultant. Otherwise, you're going to have this budget invested daily in these ads, and they might not convert as well, and you might lose money instead of converting into sales. But that's an option. If you feel comfortable, then you can go ahead and take a look at paid advertising. Then we have social media, more specifically organic social media traffic, which is my personal favorite because it's free, and if you do it well, you can have amazing results. We see it all the time with users who are absolutely killing it with their reels and TikToks and YouTube channels. They constantly share updates and educational content and tutorials and their lead magnets. They really put time and effort into understanding the algorithms, and then they just have a steady stream of free organic traffic flowing into their funnels. Then we have SEO, which you might be familiar with, but it stands for search engine optimization and is basically using your keywords and optimizing your content so that it by itself is a magnet for potential customers actively seeking what you offer. It might take some time if you're only relying on SEO, but trust me, a well thought out content plan pays off in the long run. And also remember, social media platforms are search engines, so just get your keywords and use them everywhere. And then finally, we have affiliate and referral programs. And this is a really good way to grow. If you already have existing customers, I'm sure some of them might be more than willing to share your offer with others in exchange for a commissions. This is perfect if you want to let them do, the heavy lifting while you focus on delivering value. You might be familiar with our affiliate program. It's actually one of the ways that we grow so much is because we have amazing affiliates who love sharing about system.io. And now I'm not saying it because I'm part of the system.io family, but trust me, our affiliate program is amazing. I think we have the best affiliate commissions out there. So if you haven't checked it out, you should check it out right now after finishing this lesson. So there you have it. You need to research like a pro, get a PhD in your offer, and drive targeted traffic. Up next, we're going to start taking a look at the different pages and elements of funnels in our platform, and also the different types of funnels that you'll have available with system.io. It's going to be fun, I promise. Until then, happy planning.